Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a moment and exhale softly through your mouth. Let your shoulders drop, your jaw unclench, and your body settle. Now bring your attention to the top of your head. Imagine a gentle wave of relaxation slowly washing down across your forehead, around your eyes, your cheeks, your jaw. With each breath, feel this wave travel down your neck, across your shoulders, through your arms, all the way to your fingertips. Feel it moving through your chest and back, down your stomach and hips, through your legs and into your feet. Your whole body is becoming soft, light, and deeply at ease. Now, imagine yourself standing in a beautiful, safe place. Maybe in a sunlit meadow, a quiet beach, or beneath a calm night sky. The air here feels perfect, and with each and every inhale, you breathe in peace, calm, and positivity. With every exhale, you let go of tension, worries, and anything that no longer serves you. See a warm golden light above you, gently flowing into your body with every breath. This light fills your heart, your mind, and your entire being with warmth, balance, and a sense of trust in life. Silently repeat to yourself, I am calm. I am safe. I am at peace. I carry this sense of ease with me through my days and into my nights. take a final deep breath in and hold it for a moment. And now slowly release. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes and softly open your eyes. You are refreshed, relaxed, and ready to move forward with positivity.